Welcome. If you want to change the lock screen wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3, at the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to pick wallpaper and pick wallpapers from your gallery, from my wallpapers of Samsung or wallpaper services. I'm going for my wallpapers. And here we got all default wallpapers. Here we can also find the downloaded. I'm going to change, for example, for this one. So click and then set on the lock screen. Confirm, and as you can see right now, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.